Welcome to Rosh Media. My name is Rosh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube playlist an official playlist, which is very helpful when you're trying to get people to watch one video to the next video. What you do is a little bit different than it was before. It's actually a little bit easier. In your YouTube studio, go down to Playlists. Then select the playlist you wish to designate as an official playlist. Click on the Edit icon. Then from here, look for these three dots. Click on the three dots and you'll have multiple options, and one of them is Playlist Settings. Click on Playlist Settings and you'll have three options: Allow Embedding, Add New Videos to the top of Playlist, and Set as Official Series for this playlist. And press Done. Now let's talk about why this is important. When you designate a YouTube playlist as an official series playlist, you're letting YouTube know that these videos go together or work together in some way. They're related. And the thing is, you can only have one official playlist for each video. So a video can only be in one official playlist. And this tells YouTube that you might want to recommend these videos against each other. And I have found that that works out very well, especially in official playlists. Now, you can't use other people's videos in your playlist. You have to own those videos. They need to be your uploads. But if you're trying to increase the number of suggested videos, definitely consider creating official playlists for your channel.